we have our Protection Pro machine, which allows us to cut a screen protector for any device in the whole world. You can use it for your iPad, your computer screen, or an Apple Watch. And we specifically use this for All Galaxies. If you have a strange Galaxy and can't find a screen protector for it, this is the way to go. Now we're going to show you a demonstration of how we cut a custom polyurethane Protection Pro for a Google Pixel 3 XL. Now that's a very unique phone, and most places won't have a screen protector for it. So we're going to custom cut one here now for you live. Let's get going. Right now, Mike is prepping the phone so that it's clean and sanitized before we put the Protection Pro polyurethane screen protector on the device. So Mike is now scanning the barcode for the authenticity of the Protection Pro from the manufacturer. Now he's loading it into the machine to get it cut. This is the Protection Pro gel that helps cure and harden the screen protector before and after the process. Mike is pushing out the gel in the Protection Pro, and this will make sure that the polyurethane screen protector hardens underneath with a nice gel in between to give it its strength. This is actually a matte finish. We'll have a nice anti-glare to it. And this is different than a regular screen protector, but it does contour to the edges for any curved phone that you may have.